Hi you all, welcome. This is Jamaican Beauty. I have some exciting news to share with you. I will be selling tumblers, the blanks, as well. Of course, I'm still doing the personalized ones, but I will be selling blanks. So my blanks will cost $7.99. It will be in my Etsy shop. I will be posting soon. $7.99. It comes in a nice little box. You have the wrapper, and you can ship it straight to your customers like this. Once you customize it to fit their needs, it will come with a plastic straw, as well as this one is just something I had, the metal straw. So metal straw, and it will have the rubber gripper. And I know they've been selling it separately for $1, but mine's gonna come with that. So for $7.99, you'll have 3 additional attachments with it, the 2 straws and your rubber gripper. The rubber grippers are great, making sure, of course, that it grips the table or wherever you're putting it, and it prevents it from falling as much. So those grippers definitely help. In addition, it protects your tumbler, the bottom of the tumbler, and prolongs the life of the tumbler. And whatever surface you put on it, it protects it from that moisture. So that's the plus. So I'm so excited to be offering that. In addition, this is the old sheet, I will also offer the sublimation sheet. So if you don't have a printer, that is okay. So for $3 more, you can get the sheet to go with your tumbler. So all you do is upload the design that you want for your tumbler. I will print those out. You'll get your blank, your tumbler blank, and your sublimation sheet. Look better than this one. The colors are bright and vibrant, as you can see from my tumbler. I use the blank spot sublimation paper, and their paper works really well. So I'll have that out for you guys. So all together, so say for example, my one tumbler is $7.99, or you could get 3 for $22, which saves even more. You get 3 tumblers for $22. And you get a blank. So $7.99, let's just say $8, plus this for $3. That's $11. And these are going for about $25. So you are making a profit. The only thing you have to do, wait for the mailman, get this. You put your paper on, so you can see it. Put your paper on. You know it looks dull until that heat activates it. Have it on there. Once you sublimate your tumbler, what else is there to do? You just ship it out to your customers. You done made a profit. The only thing you did was put the sublimation paper on. It's cut to size already for you all. Boom, there you have it. So you guys stay tuned, and I thank you all for supporting me as always, and happy crafting, everyone.